Hi, my name is Bernice. I work at Shepley Wood Products in the accounting department. Agility has helped mostly with speed. I can get things done a lot faster than I have in the past with the old software. You can actually go into Agility and export just about anything into an Excel spreadsheet, cut, paste, do whatever you have to, and there you have it, you got your report. The other efficiency tool are all these buttons that we have. You've got a button for everything. So you can just click, 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 and you're there. On the AI side, I think the postings with Agility are a lot smoother. Once again, you use those buttons. You could have an account that has 100 invoices that they want to pay. With the old system, we had to go and click each invoice line one by one. Now with Agility, you just hit that little button to paste this last statement, and it does the payment for you. To do the statements, I set up my screen, I hit my buttons, everything's all set, and I just hit print. And what I do is I use as many printers as I can, and I send portions of the alphabet. And that's all I do now, is I just set up the grid, all the criteria, print to printer number 1, number 2, number 3, and then the crew here will just take it off the printer and we just stuff and mail it out. I know a good one. We are getting more and more people to get their statements emailed and faxed. So I'm printing less paper, less postage. So when we talk to customers, it's like we're selling it. We'll even say, Andrea just did it yesterday. She'll say to them, would you like your statements and your invoices emailed to you? And 99% of the time, they love it. So right there, it's cutting time. And postage at 45 cents a letter, I mean, forget it. And on the payment screen in the lower right-hand corner, which we stressed in here, it tells you exactly what your payment's doing, whether there's money left over. So if you know your check is exact and you get 10 bucks hanging there, you know something's wrong. It lets you know how much discount was posted, so before you hit that post button, it's letting you know exactly how you posted. All right, with AP, the AP Recon, because now as we're entering each voucher, you're able to watch the AP Recon to see if you're off a penny or $1,000. I actually do review an AP Recon report once a month, let's say, and I'll go through it to see if there's any differences, discrepancies hanging out there, and then we would investigate to see what the error is. On the old system, there really wasn't anything. I could just print out a report of just POs still outstanding. That would be the only thing I would have. But with the AP Recon report, I actually see the detail on the entries. So if I see there's 10 cents left over, I can see what receiving had done. I can see what we here in AP had done. And I'm able to investigate whether I'm still waiting for an SR or if there was a data entry error. It saves a lot of time because at least while you're posting, you know if you're doing it right or wrong. I'll tell you one thing, I know the statements are right, where in the past, the aging would always be off. Now, with Agility, you're printing the statements, they're right. The finance charges get calculated correctly, yay. And that's a piece of cake too. I don't even have to check them anymore. In the beginning, I used to go in the test area and run a lot of the finance charges and test them before I did it. Now I trust it. It's fine. I mean, all honesty, Agility's fun.
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap.